Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about an important topic, the disadvantages of using packages in Flutter. Don't worry, I will try to keep it simple and easy to understand so you can take it easily. I will try to explain it with the help of real examples so you can understand it in a better way. Alright, so you know that using packages in Flutter can be very super helpful. They save us time and effort by providing ready to use functionalities, just like getting pre-made furniture for your home. But as with everything, there are some downsides too. So in today's video, we have to discuss that thing. So the first disadvantage of using package is dependency conflicts. One issue that may arise is dependency conflicts. Imagine you are adding two packages to your app. Each package relies on different versions of the same underlying software, like two friends fighting over what TV shows to watch. This conflict can lead to errors and crashes in your app, just like arguing with friends can make it tough to enjoy your TV time. So this dependency conflict can lead to a problem for you while you are working on a complex application. The second disadvantage is package maintenance. Another drawback is package maintenance. Some packages might not be regularly updated or supported by their creators. It is like relying on a car that never gets its oil changed. As Flutter involves, these outdated packages may not work well with the latest version, and it can cause bugs and leaving you stranded on the side of the road. So it is important to use that package that maintained regularly. The next disadvantage is app size bloat. Package can also make your app bigger, just like buying too much stuff for your home. Imagine you have a tiny room, but you keep bringing is more and more furniture. Your room gets crowded, and the same happens to your application. The more package you use, the larger your application downsize will be, and that might discourage users with limited storage space from installing your application. So try to keep your application with limited packages. The next disadvantage is limited customization. While packages are handy, they might not fit all your needs perfectly. It is like wearing someone else's clothes. They might not be fit by the right size or by the right style for you. Sometimes you want the customization feature, but the package does not let you allow to use, or you can say does not let you allow to maintain or customize the specific functionality. So it doesn't give you that flexibility. It can be frustrating, just like trying to wear clothes that don't quite fit. The next disadvantage is learning curve. It is very important, and it is more important especially for beginners who are getting their start in the development. This disadvantage is not just for Flutter developers, rather this advantage is for all the developers who are using different types of frameworks. Lastly, relying too much packages on a specific framework might reduce your understanding of how things work the hood. It is like using a calculator for everything instead of doing the maths in your head. Sure, calculators are more convenient, but they won't help you to improve your mathematics skills. Similarly, if you only use package without the understanding of core concepts of Flutter, you might face difficulties while tackling more complex challenges. So this is a today's video where we have discussed the disadvantages of using packages in Flutter. Try to explain it in simple terms so you can understand it properly. Remember, packages are fantastic tools, but it can speed up your development process, but it is essential to be aware of the drawbacks that you use them so you can use them wisely.